Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios. Tonight I want to give a big shout out to the Oral-B 5000 Pro. It is one of my all-time favorite toothbrushes. You guys, this has that 3D action brush. It's going to oscillate, it's going to pulse, it's going to get all in your teeth way better than your old school manual toothbrush. This is going to break up the plaque way better, and it's going to give you a better interdental clean that's going to be in between your teeth. It's going to be like that flossing action, but you can get that with this electric toothbrush. This is going to have the Bluetooth technology, and it's going to connect you to an app that's going to monitor and track your dental cleaning habits, help you stay on top of things, and give you real-time feedback so you know things like how long are you brushing every area that you should be, and if you're brushing too hard, it's going to let you know and soften up so that way you're not doing any damage to your gums if you are pressing a little bit too hard. There's 5 different modes, so everything from gentle, like if you have sensitivity, all the way to whitening modes. This is also going to have, your lithium ion battery, so it's rechargeable and it's going to last a really long time. To make your battery last as long as possible, just make sure that you are unplugging it and discharging the battery like once every 6 months or so. That's going to help the battery hold up over time and give you, the maximum life of your battery and help you just be able to get even further in between charges. You guys, if you haven't already made the switch from your manual toothbrush, this is a great way to do it. It's an extremely reasonable price. You're gonna get that app, like I said, so you can really just get all of that feedback, know what's going on, and this is going to give you a ton of different options for brushing your teeth and just get you a lot better clean and healthier mouth. So I encourage you to go ahead and put it in your cart. You'll be super happy that you did.